So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, chain 3, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, single crochet, total of 5 times. So you should have 5 single crochet and 5 spaces. And then I'm gonna join to start row 2. So here we'll start the second round. Chain 1, in the chain 1 space, previous chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, the same in the next space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and we repeat in all the spaces the same thing. And we join. Now on to the next round. Chain 1, we'll start increasing the circle, the moss stitch circle. So single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, only one single crochet in the next space, and then we repeat double single crochet in the following space. So we'll alternate 2 1 2 1 until the end of the round. Follow the written pattern so you don't do a mistake while working. And in every round I will increase the single crochet by 1, like I said, to keep the circle flat until round 7. So don't worry if you get the hexagon shape. Later on when you go in rounds, it will take the shape of the round to form the beanie. So now I'm on row 5, and again I chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the first space, chain 1, single crochet in the next 3 spaces, and you keep increasing in every round the single number of single crochet by 1. Means here it was 3, in the next round it will be 4, the next one will be 5, and so on. Then double single crochet and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So now I'm gonna start round 7, chain 1, double single crochet in the first stitch, means single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next 4 spaces. Sorry, 5 spaces. Chain 1, double single crochet in the next stitch. Again, single crochet in the next 4 spaces until the end of the round. And then we'll start working in rounds, single crochet only, no increase. So here I have finished 7 rounds of moss stitch, and I'm gonna start working my beanie or shaping my beanie. If you wanted to bigger, you can make more flat circle moss stitch, but because this is for a medium size, I'm gonna stop here. Bear in mind that when you start going in round, means single crochet in every stitch. It will not turn into a beanie straight away. It will turn after 3 to 4 rounds from when you're gonna start making single crochet. So if you want it bigger, bear in mind that not to make it too big, basically. So now from this round till around 21, I'm gonna work only one single crochet in every space, no more increase. So chain 1, single crochet, and chain 1, single crochet in every space till I reach round 21. So I'll start the round by chaining 1 and then single crochet in the space, then chain 1, single crochet in the next space, and so on. As simple as that. Again, don't forget to check the written pattern for all the information and for all the rounds, how to start them and how to finish. Also for the yarn and any information you would require. Here I'm at the last round, 28, and I'm finishing the last. When I'm finishing the last stitches, and I'll fasten off and hide the thread. So this is how it looks like at the end. Very pretty and cool. You can make more rounds if you want to make it slouchy. You can make up to 34 rounds, or you can leave it simple like this. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.